Good morning, students. Through this video today we are going to study English 1 and Unit 6, Careful Analysis. Careful Analysis. Activity 1. Remember that we said analysis is looking carefully or at the details of something in order to understand the whole thing. We talked about analyzing poems, but we can analyze anything, even a picture. We just have to look very carefully. See, they have given here a picture and we can analyze it carefully what is there in the picture. See, analysis is what is looking very carefully at the detail of something in order to understand the whole. The detail point we see at it and we can understand the whole part. An analysis is a useful way to find out more about any kind of source. See, what is analysis? See, the word analysis is a noun and it derives from the verb to analyze, and it means to study or to examine something in detail in order to discover more about it. And hence, analysis is looking carefully at the details of something in order to understand the whole. And analysis is a useful way to find out more about any kind of source. So this was about what is analysis. On your way up, we are already there. See here, look at the picture. First, we can describe it in general. It is an advertisement and it shows a mountains environment with a man climbing a rock in, and it has some words on it. See, what you will look at the picture and see, this picture is an advertisement and it shows the mountain we can see in the environment, and a man is climbing on a rock, and few words are written that we are already there and printed on it, and in bigger font the caption like words on your way up, and with a question mark also suggests that the advertisement has to convey something about the progress, and the question asks the reader whether they are in progress of going further, and the words we are already there suggest that the establishment advertiser has already reached a point in progress and still their journey is on. Thus, this advertisement indicates unseen progress and probably ask the readers to join them so that they can also make progress. So this we can read through this picture, we can understand. So now in activity 2, now look much carefully at the advertisement. Observe the details. See, we have observed the details and what are the words. See, what are the words in the advertisement? The captions like the words are on your way up, and the words in the pictures are we are already there. All these words are there. And what is man like? See, the man seems to be a trained mountain trekker and he appears to climb a rock without taking help of any climbing equipment. And what is he wearing? See, the man is seems to be wearing a casual dress and not a trekking suit or a specific costume. He is wearing a red shirt or a t-shirt and blue shorts. And what colors are used? See, in the when we see to the original picture, which is in our textbook, red, blue, gray, green, black, and white colors are used in the advertisement. How big are the words? See, the captions like words are bigger and in almost regular font, but other words in the picture in cursive writing are smaller than that of the caption like words. And how big is the rock? See, the rock seems to be very big. Only half of the entire rock is shown. But it seems to be so big that the man requires special efforts to climb on it. And how many other rocks are shown? See, about 11 other rocks are shown over there in the picture besides a huge rock. And what do you see in the foreground? See, in the foreground we see grassy rocky land with some rocks lying here and there, And what is in the background? And when we talk about the background, we see a huge mountain hidden in fog and some clouds sailing over them. An entire range of mountain is seen. And what do you see in the grass? See, in the grass, we see some small, big rocks. They are lying over here and there. It's a rocky, slopy land. And what do we see over the mountain, on the mountains? See, over and around the mountains, we see fog. There may be some clouds sailing by and over the mountains too. So all these things we have noticed in this. See, first write 10 details. What they have asked over here, first write 10 details on the chart that you have find by looking at advertisement very carefully. Try to observe so carefully that the details, find details that no one else notices, and also to fill up the chart, and that you need to do on your own, that chart. And what the details you find out, you have to fill it up in the textbook. Now moving ahead, now we can see is the activity 3 over here. See what activity 3 tells us. See what work together with the they have shown in the activity 3 two pictures. In one picture, when guest comes home, give them the best top taste dal. It's an advertisement of dal. And the next one is show your child your care. So it's a picture of love bonding. It's a picture of a soap advertisement of that. See in this what they have asked, to work together with a partner or a group to find ways to think about advertisement and discuss it together, together and discuss. And the next one, explain your answer by giving at least one detail that you see in the advertisement from your answers. So let us see, what do you think, what are they trying to sell? See top taste dal, what do you think they are selling? They are selling dal. And care soap, they are selling soap. And what do you see in the ad that makes you think so? See, first ad is standing man is serving dal to the other man taking meal. And in the second picture, and it's an ad line and joy seen on the faces of ad character. Who are the character? Mother and child. Who are they trying to sell to? See, to the public in general. They are trying to sell it to the public. And care soap also, the second ad is to show in general and to the public. And what do we see in the ad that makes you feel think so? See, ad is often meant for public in general, to see it in general. Third question, what are they trying to make you feel or think? See, they that the product is really worth buying of dal one. And the second, when we talk of soap, that we should be buy the soap shown the ad to express love and care to nearest and dearest one. And see, now in the first picture the joy and interest is in eating, and in the second picture the cheerful faces expressing love and care. The next question, how does the text help create the feeling or thought? See, giving best to the guest and the top taste of dal is a way of showing, is a caption and the headline that is they have given here. And in the second, when we talk about the second one, soap one, the way of showing care to dearest one, that soap bring freshness. See, headline and the supplementary sentence, it helps us to make us think that ad about it. And how does the picture create the feeling or thought? See, the joy on the faces that we see on in the first picture, on one who serves of those who are enjoy eating. And in the second picture, a caring and loving mother expresses joy of using the product. See, in the first picture, feeling of pleasure and satisfaction is seen on the faces of all the characters. And in the second picture, expression of love and care is seen. And the last one, what do you want to buy it? Sorry, would you want to buy it? Yes, if the flavor is suitable, we can buy the dal, that dal one. And the second picture, yes, if it is affordable, we can buy that soup also. see if the taste of the dal is really top, as the headline says. And the second one ad that makes us think is that if I am so, I'm convinced that it will bring me freshness by saying this thing, this ad. So this was all about the activity 3, in which we understand why do what do this ad tells and makes us think, and also which company they belong to, the top taste dal, and about the care soap. So all these things we have discussed. I hope you have understood till here. Thank you for listening.